They come here with bargains in their heads and fire in their eyes. And we shall give those bargains to them.
Ladies, y'all stop. Ladies.
Oh shit! Hell yeah. Florence Mall, World Star.
That's one of the lots. Oh my God! Let's get out of here! He's pretty good.
Don't worry, bro. Everybody got it on video. World Star.
Because we are more than just a store. This is a team. This is a family.